afternoon, students. We are going to talk about making multiplication stories. But before that, you try to remember that we discussed about adding the same number on our previous lesson. But before we proceed here, let us know what is a multiplication first. Now, multiplication is another operation aside from subtraction and addition. And the sign for multiplication is this one, and it is read as times or to multiply. And multiplication means to put all things together. Now let us try to see the examples that we have here. Okay, so we have here the same format like what we did in adding same number together. So we have here how many groups of circles? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So all in all, there are 4 groups. Next, there are how many circles in each group? Let's try to count. In group 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Say the same. Okay, so we are going to write 3 over there. So there are 3 circles in each group, meaning in one group there are 3 circles. And how are we going to do or add same number together? So all we need to do is to write 3 for group 1, another 3 for group 2, 3 for group 4, and then 3 for group 5. And we're just going to add them together. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, and then plus 3 is 12. Next, we can also read this as 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, so 4, why 4? Because there are 4 groups in here. And why 3? Because in each group there are 3 circles. So this is a multiplication equation. Okay, this one. And it is read as 4 times 3 equals 12. Or 4 times 3 is the same as 12. Because if you are going to multiply 4 and 3, the answer is 12. Let's have another example here. So we have here how many group of leaves or how many groups? There are 1 and 2. So there are 2 groups. Now, there are how many leaves in each group? We have here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 leaves in each group. Now, how are we going to add this? Using or adding the same number together. So group 1, there are 3 leaves, okay? 3. And then group 2, there are 3 leaves as well. And then all we need to do is to add them. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now, how are we going to write this in a multiplication equation? All we need to do is to write how many leaves we have, 3, and how many groups we have, only 2, 1 and 2. So the answer is 2. And 3 multiplied by 2, the answer is 6. Okay, so in here, guys, this is another multiplication equation. And it is read as 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 is the same as 6. Okay, so I hope you understand our lesson for today. I am going to post some worksheets and I'll be posting something on our platform. So thank you for listening and you have a good one, students.